In this video, you will learn how to generate a perfect art using Leonardo AI. Additionally, I will provide you with a cheat prompt to save your time. So without any waste time, let's create something new. First, you need to sign up and click on the AI image generator. You will find two tools. Click on the second tool to generate a basic prompt. For generating a prompt, type a basic idea in the search box, click on the idea, and you will get 4 prompt codes to then click on Generate. You can see that it has generated basic art, but for advanced art, you need advanced prompts. But don't worry, I have a cheat code for you. For cheat code, go to any browser and search gauheraziz.com and click on the AI tool. I am adding all AI tools and prompt on this platform in this week, so please support me on my channel and website. Okay, now come to the point. Click on prompt. And you will get prompts with images and negative prompt. Copy the code and paste it into Leonardo. Click on the featured model and select the custom model. You can either use the platform model or the community model shared by other users. I will choose the image that I like and click on it, then generate with the model. The model's settings will be auto set, and you need to click on Generate. You can see that you have a perfect result here. The second image is also perfect, and you can see that the quality of the image is like Midjourney art. Let's try another model and select Cyberpunk this time. Unfortunately, we didn't get the desired result, so let's try another model. Now you have your perfect result. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, so if learn anything from video, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.